Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials. Enable live captions or upload an SRT/VTT so text aligns to speech. Once done, set your camera at eye level and keep a 16:9 frame about 1 to 2 meters away. This gives the AI clear facial data to work with. Make sure lighting is even at roughly 400 to 800 lux and your mic captures clean audio. Finally, switch on the AI eye contact or auto gaze feature so the system can begin mapping facial landmarks and captions in real time. Now you fine-tune synchronization. Record a 30 to 60 second test clip speaking normal phrases so the AI can match mouth motion to words. Once the clip processes, check caption timing. If text lags, reduce latency towards 0 to 300 milliseconds. Next, tweak gaze strength between 0 and 100% so eye contact looks natural but not robotic. Make sure noise reduction is enabled, and when possible, provide a clean transcript. This dramatically improves caption accuracy and lip sync performance for the AI. Finish by exporting with your preferred caption delivery. Embed burned-in captions or export a separate SRT or VTT track alongside an MP4. Once exported, review eye contact across full clips. If eyes jitter or shift unnaturally, reduce gaze gain and increase smoothing to about 20 to 60%. If captions misalign or contain errors, correct the transcript and rerun alignment or switch to a more suitable speech model. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, fix the transcript first. Accurate text solves most caption and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.